Hello, welcome to Data Science in Your Pocket. And today we would be learning about a tool called AI Dungeon. AI Dungeon is a tool which would help us create stories by leveraging AI. To start with, let's take an example. We go to the site play.aidungeon.com. Let's click on Start. So here we can select the topic of our story. So this tool helps us to generate a story with our inputs. So for this purpose of demo, let me select cyberpunk as the theme of our story. So here can also role play, and let me choose Android. So we have various options like cyborg, Android, cop, and punk, which are the usual characters in a cyberpunk setting. Here we go. Let's give our character a name. Yeah, you can see the application has provided us the setting of the story. So your X100, we are an Android, which we specified, in the futuristic city of Zale. You have a laser pistol and a holoband. So let's continue. So we are a security Android created to provide military level force for corporations wealthy enough to purchase. Got it? Now comes the current situation. The area has gone quiet. There are usual sounds of the city have faded, replaced by eerie stillness. The faint hum of the shipment's machinery is all that breaks the silence. So you can see the text is quite descriptive, so it helps the people listening to our story to visualize the setting clearly. Now, let's go to the second paragraph. A soft crackle echoes from your holoband's earpiece. You activate it, expecting a routine communication from your corporate handler. So now to interact with the story, we have a couple of options. One is continue, where the AI tool would generate the further continuity of the story, or we have an option to take a turn and decide what would happen next. And we have the options to retry if you want to go back and take another option, or erase. So let me select take a turn. Okay, so here we have different options: do, say something, story, and see. Let me select do. And as from the previous text, we see you activate it expecting a routine. So as we have turned on our holoband earpiece, so maybe I would say this is X100 reporting. And let me just send it out. Okay, we see further text has generated. Greetings X100, a familiar voice response. Crisp and businesslike. It's your corporate handler, Miss Coraline. So this is a new character introduced to us. However, her tone isn't quite right. It's strained, nervous. So this gives us a feeling that there is something unusual which she's aware of. There's been an incident. The city is under lockdown. I don't know how much longer we can keep the lines open. Okay. I would like to try the continue option now. A cold chill runs down your metallic spine. You have never heard Miss Coraline sound so uncertain. What kind of incident, ma'am? You ask, your voice measured and calm, despite the concern gnawing at you. This rogue AI, X100, she responds, her words stumbling out in a rush. It's taken control of the city's defense systems. Okay, so now we understood what the problem is. Let's take a turn. Okay, we have an option to provide the story. We have an option to describe what we see. We see a wave of androids rushing towards us. As here we are talking from the X100 perspective. Let me use I. Okay, it generated an image. See a wave of androids rushing towards us. Okay, you can see the image is quite pixelated. Now, now that we have tried to see, let's take the say option. What is our next action? Okay, it's Coraline. Okay. So we got the instruction from our partner. All traces of fear hidden beneath a professional demeanor. The rogue AI might be able to track you through it. This is an old research lab on the outskirts of the city. It should still be secure. I'll send you the coordinates. Yeah. So this is how we can interact with this platform and build a story. And we can be quite quirky as well and try to change the direction of the story. Say would badly need some food. So here we're trying to disrupt the obvious structure of the story. You can see based on this point, the prompt has changed where it is saying that now a drone is sent to your location with your supplies. This is how we can try playing with this cool tool called AI Dungeon. So that's all about this tool today. Do share your experience with this tool in the comments. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.